Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best welding machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Vever Welding Machine. The Vever Welding Machine is a versatile and reliable welding machine that supports MIG, MMA, and TIG welding processes. Its impressive current range of 50-250 A allows for flexibility in handling different materials and thicknesses. The machine is designed with IP21S protection, making it durable and reliable for indoor use. It requires an efficient power consumption of 5.6 kVA, allowing for cost management. The adjustable wire speed ranges from 2.2 to 12 m/min, allowing for customized welding processes. The machine is compatible with various wire thicknesses, including 0.024 foot, 0.031, and 0.039, ensuring versatility for different projects. The machine is lightweight and portable, with a total wire weight of 2.2/11 pounds, making it ideal for portable use on multiple job sites or compact storage. Number 4. Ludaby Welding Machine. The Ludaby Welding Machine is a versatile tool designed for welding lithium iron phosphate batteries. It is a smart device with straightforward functionality, suitable for various types of batteries. The machine is compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.85 kilograms and measuring 67 mm x 176 mm x 126 mm. It has a powerful performance with a rated capacity of 3500 A and a peak power output of 19.8 kW, ensuring strong welds. It has a high duty cycle of 0 to 20 milliseconds, allowing efficient welding operations without overheating or prolonged downtime. The machine can handle materials up to 0.2 mm thick, and is CE certified. It is manufactured by Glitter under the Ludaby brand, ensuring quality and durability. Number 3. Hsvogen Welding Machine. The Hsvogen Welding Machine is a versatile and efficient welding tool designed for both professional and DIY users. It offers 3 distinct welding processes: TIG AC/DC welding for precise and clean welds, ARC MMA stick welding for thicker materials, and TIG pulse welding for greater control over the welding arc. With a rated input voltage of AC 220V ± 10% and frequency of 50/60 Hz, it delivers consistent performance. The machine has impressive output specifications, including 180A at 27.2V for stick welding and 200A at 18V for TIG welding. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible for beginners and experienced welders. The Hsvogen brand is CE certified, ensuring compliance with safety and quality standards. Its European plug compatibility eliminates the need for additional adapters. Number 2. R-Captain Welding Machine. The R-Captain AC/DC TIG welder is a reliable and versatile welding machine that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. It uses Advanced Microcontroller Unit (MCU) technology for precise digital control, ensuring stable performance. The welder has versatile AC and DC options, making it suitable for various applications like vehicle bodies, metal furniture, pipelines, sculptures, and thin plates. It offers triangular and square waveforms for greater control over the welding process. The pulse welding function is ideal for thin materials, preventing burn-through and maintaining clean welds. The welder is user-friendly, with straightforward controls for beginners and advanced features for experienced welders. It has CE and FCC certifications, and is manufactured in mainland China with a US plug for convenience. Number 1. Hitbox Welding Machine. The Hitbox HBT250P AC/DC welding machine is a versatile and reliable option for both professional welders and hobbyists. It offers dual functionality, functioning as both a TIG, tungsten inert gas, AC/DC welding machine and an ARC MMA, manual metal arc, stick welding machine. The TIG pulse welding feature allows for precise, controlled welding, making it ideal for thin materials or intricate work. The machine's TIG output current range of 10-200A and MMA/ARC output current range of 20-120A provide versatility for various materials and thicknesses. With an efficiency rating of 85%, it conserves energy, making it a cost-effective choice. Its rated duty cycle of 60% allows for extended welding periods without overheating, making it suitable for larger projects. The machine's IP21S protection class ensures durability in various environments. Operating at a rated input voltage of AC 220V ± 10% and a power rating of 5.8 kVA, it is suitable for most standard electrical systems. The user-friendly design makes it accessible for users of all skill levels. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.